All aboard! Well, hello and welcome to another edition of Shaky Hand Shed, and today I'll be displaying a couple of locos I got on eBay for a reasonable price. I'll tell you that in just a second, but they're a nice lot. This is the lot here, and I'll be showing you them a bit. It's technically an unboxing, but I'd already unboxed them, so there's no box. The first one is basically, it's a European loco, but it'll fill in for an American steam loco. It'll fill in for a little steam switcher, an American one. I'm not to being exact for me American engage layout. It's a bit of fun. It's gonna be meant to be a little roundhouse owned by a preservation society, so there'll be no particular hard and fast rules. It's just done for fun. And that's the first loco. And next out of the bag will be, wait for it, it's not technically an American loco. Well, technically it is, it's North America, but it's a Canadian national diesel. And there we go. It's quite a nice loco. This is complete. All the handrails are there. It's fell over. It's fell over again. And again. Eventually it gets on its wheels. But yeah, it's quite nice. It'll be nice. I think it'll look nicer with a bit of weathering on. That'll bring some of the details out. Like dry brushing it in a lighter grey to bring out edge highlights, and a bit of muck on the chassis to bring chassis detail out. It should pay benefits in Engage, because the details there, it's just that small, and if it's dark it blends in. And anyway, here's the last one. And this one's a Burlington, I think it's GP40. And the colours aren't particularly right, so I'll be giving it a slight repaint to get the colours right. I don't think the roofs were white. They've used white, and they were grey, I think, on the Burlingtons. I don't think any had that white roof. You can correct me if I'm wrong, I'll research. Anyway, let's see if these suckers work. They were advertised as working, but that answers the question for the little steamer. They were advertised on eBay as workers, but you're never 100% sure it's eBay. It's taken in good faith, and sometimes one person's view of running is another person's view of atrocious. They'll all need a little bit of a lube and a service. I think they've been stood still for many years, but that one's a nice little runner. I can't complain. Yeah, you take it at face value on eBay. And this little lot, while we've got the chance, cost me £60. So if you work it out, at £20 per loco, you're on a winner really. And there we go. The CN diesel's a worker as well. And looks good, it's even got cab lights in it. I may alter that, I don't know. I may try and divert it just to the number boards. Or what, I don't know. I don't know what the norm is in America, whether they run with cab lights on. But normally in the UK they switch cab lights off. But anyway, I digress, it's a runner. And it looks good, so happy days. A bit well, we all of them, a bit of weathering and altering and bit, and it'll fit in on the layout better. Because I'm going to do scenics and everything. I've got the boards and a lot of the wood I need to kick the layouts off, so happy days. And here's the Burlington. As I say, that roof's far too bright. It needs toning down, it needs to be the Burlington grey. I don't think it were white. And that it's a bright white, it just doesn't look right for Burlington. But as well, this one will be weathered. And like I say, any details painted on and anywhere where colours are wrong altered. And there it's just a bit hesitant, you know, and I think more than likely they've had a life, and then they've had a life in storage, I'd say. Not been run regular. Like anything, I'd say about 80% of what you buy off eBay's been lying in storage, the old stuff. So it benefits from servicing. But the runners, it's just a little bit hesitant every now and again, so anyway, and here's one I bought the other week in running condition from my mate's shop, a little switcher. And I've got wagons, and I've got another couple of locos. I've got some buildings, I've got my boards, I've got turntables, so we're underway for my Engage layout. Just putting it together, people. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up. And anyway, tatty pie, people. Tatty pie.